Forget everything you think you know about kimchi. There's a hidden world of meaning and a legacy older than you can imagine, simmering within every fiery bite. Ever wonder what makes kimchi more than just food? Is it possible for a single dish to carry the weight of an entire nation's history? Join us as we unlock the secrets of our family's traditional kimchi recipe, revealing the deep cultural significance and cherished heritage woven into every spicy, delicious bite. Prepare to see kimchi in a whole new light, with meanings and heritage that foreigners cannot imagine. Korean kimjang is a representative winter traditional event where all precious families participate. Seeing and learning how to make Korean kimchi will be a representative experience of K-food to understand the culture and soul of Koreans. Imagine preserving 1,000 years of heritage with your two hands. That's the power of Korean kimchi. Today, we invite you to our kitchen to share your family recipes. Can one dish capture the entire history of a country? Kimchi in Korea is not just a food. Traditional Korean kimchi has a secret of unique recipes from region to region and household. In order to make kimchi in Korea, the family first gets together and prepares ingredients together. In order to make kimchi, Koreans first consult and decide on a schedule that families living far away can participate in. Koreans say that the taste differs because the process of making kimchi without using machines or equipment is done manually by people. So they touch and knead it with their own hands and apply sauce with their hands. Kimchi in Korea is a unique food full of love that combines the sincerity and friendly conversation of all family members and the taste of hands. What if I said that one fermented dish contains the soul of a nation? Unlock the secrets of your family's traditional kimchi recipe together and discover the cultural meaning and precious heritage in a spicy and delicious bite. You will feel a whole new taste of Korean kimchi. Korean kimchi is a unique food culture that goes beyond the spicy and pungent taste, and the story of thousands of years is deeply engraved in the history of Koreans and the daily lives of their families. Kimchi and kimchi making are not just about food, they are about understanding the core of Korean culture. Kimchi is Korea's representative fermented food, and it is the best nutritional food responsible for Korean health. Koreans believe that few people are obese because of kimchi, especially beautiful women with beautiful skin. Now, do you want to get drunk on the taste of Korean kimchi?